Real might have been difficult this happened.
Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel One to Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can join code on your Bigo Live app. To do so, first of all, open up your Bigo Live and make sure you are logged into your account, and after you're logged into your account you'll be on the live page of Bigo Live. From here, go on to Me, which is on the bottom right side of the screen, and here you can see an option for family on the middle of the screen below following. Click on family, and from here you can join to any family of your choice. If you are not finding the one family that you want to join, you can just click on search family and you'll be able to search for your family. And that's how you can join or search family on your Bigo Live. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.